Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Hubspot Service Hub. This powerful platform centralizes all your customer support workflows, from ticketing and live chat to knowledge bases and automation, making it easier to deliver exceptional service at scale. Let's start by heading over to hubspot.com and signing into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to explore what Service Hub has to offer. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your command center for all customer service activities. Now, to get a complete overview of what Service Hub can do, click on your profile icon in the top navigation. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Pricing and Features and click on it. This will take you to a product overview page that breaks down all the Service Hub capabilities available to you, which is helpful for understanding what tools you have access to based on your plan. At the heart of Service Hub are several core components worth noting: tickets, live chat, knowledge base, customer feedback, automation, reporting, and knowledge sharing. These tools work together to centralize your support operations and streamline how your team handles customer inquiries. The ticketing system, for instance, tracks every issue from the moment it's created all the way through to resolution, while workflows automate routing, assignments, and status updates so nothing falls through the cracks. Service Hub also excels at communication. Live chat and conversations allow you to engage with customers in real time, and with email, forms, and chat integrations all working together, you can maintain consistent communication across every channel. This means whether a customer reaches out via email or chat, your team has the full context they need to respond effectively. One of the standout features is the knowledge base. This self-service tool lets customers find answers on their own without needing to contact support. You can create detailed FAQs and organize articles into categories, which not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces the load on your support team. Automation is another key advantage. Service Hub handles repetitive tasks like ticket routing and escalations automatically, ensuring that every ticket lands with the right team or agent. This kind of intelligent routing saves time and keeps your support process running smoothly. You'll also want to explore the reporting and analytics tools. Built-in dashboards track important metrics like ticket volume, response times, customer satisfaction scores, and knowledge base usage. These visualizations help you spot trends and identify bottlenecks in your service delivery, making it easier to optimize over time. What really sets Service Hub apart is how it integrates with the rest of HubSpot. It connects seamlessly with marketing, CRM, and sales hubs, giving you a unified view of every customer interaction across your entire organization. Keep in mind that some features vary depending on your plan, whether that's free, starter, professional, or enterprise, so check which Service Hub features are included in your current subscription. To get started, consider setting up a basic ticket pipeline, enabling live chat on your website, and publishing your first knowledge base article. From there, you can refine your dashboards and automate common service tasks as your team grows more comfortable with the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.